Ever find yourself endlessly scrolling through your phone even when you're totally bored of it? Or feel like the things you used to love just don't pack the same punch anymore? That's not a willpower problem. It's a sign your brain's reward system is working overtime. But what if you could start to recalibrate it? I'm going to break down the real science behind dopamine fasting, what's fact and what's fiction, and give you a simple, practical guide to reclaim your focus and find joy in the little things again. First, let's get one thing straight. The term dopamine fasting is catchy, but it's not quite right. As its creator, Dr. Cameron Sepah, points out, the goal isn't to literally get rid of dopamine. Dopamine is a vital neurotransmitter you need for motivation and, well, being alive. You can't fast from it, and you shouldn't want to. A much better name for this is a stimulation fast. The real issue isn't dopamine itself, but our constant, easy access to it. Our world is a 24/7 buffet of what you could call cheap dopamine. Social media pings, junk food, that next episode that autoplays. They all give us an instant, high-octane hit of reward. The trouble is, constantly chasing these highs can make it harder to enjoy simpler, more meaningful activities. Neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman uses a great analogy. Think of your brain's pleasure-pain system as a seesaw. A big, instant pleasure spike tips the seesaw way over to one side. To get back to level, your brain overcorrects, causing a dip on the other side. If you're always chasing those intense peaks, your brain can become less sensitive to dopamine's effects. This is why you might feel restless and unmotivated, and why things that used to be fun now just feel meh. So how do we fix this? By taking back the controls with a 7-day challenge. The goal isn't to live like a monk, it's to intentionally step away from your specific, impulsive problem behaviors to see what life is like on the other side. Here's how to do it. Step 1, identify your kryptonite. First, get honest with yourself. What are your biggest sources of cheap dopamine? We're talking about the compulsive habits that send you into zombie mode, scrolling for an hour without remembering a single thing, for example. Common culprits are social media, binge watching, video games, or stress eating. Pick your top 2 or 3, and for 1 week, you're going cold turkey. It'll be tough, but this is where the magic starts. Step 2, replace, don't just erase. You can't just leave a giant void in your day. You have to fill it with something better. This is your chance to swap high stimulation habits with slow dopamine alternatives. These are activities that provide a more sustained, earned sense of satisfaction. Think reading a physical book, going for a walk, sketching, journaling, or cooking a meal from scratch. The key is to choose things that are genuinely rewarding, not just another quick fix. And step 3, make laziness work for you. Redesign your environment to make good habits easy and bad habits a pain in the neck. If your phone is the problem, turn off all notifications that aren't actual humans. Better yet, physically put it in another room for a few hours. One person who did a week-long fast said they had to lock their phone in their mailbox to stop the urge. Do what you've got to do. If you mindlessly snack on junk, don't bring it into the house. You're not just relying on willpower, you're setting up the game so you can't lose. And step 4, learn to love the boredom. The first few days, you're going to feel it. The restlessness, the anxiety, the boredom. And here's the secret. That's a fantastic sign. It's a withdrawal symptom from the constant stimulation your brain has gotten used to. Instead of running from that feeling, just sit with it for a minute. Let yourself be bored. This is your brain finally getting a moment of peace to recalibrate. You're teaching it to find satisfaction without needing an instant external hit. So what actually happens after a week? While this isn't a magic reset button, real, lasting change often takes more time, but many people who complete this challenge report some immediate benefits. They often notice their focus gets sharper, and they feel less impulsive. Simple things like reading a book or going for a walk can start to feel genuinely enjoyable again. You might feel calmer, more in control, and just clearer. You're not just breaking bad habits, you're proving to yourself that you get to decide where your attention goes. You don't need to go to Silicon Valley extremes and avoid all eye contact to get the benefits. The real power here is in mindfully abstaining from your specific personal problem behaviors. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of your biggest time-wasting, cheap dopamine habits. Just one. And for the next 7 days, cut it out. Replace it with something real, something quiet, something that actually engages your mind. You have the power to stop letting your impulses run the show and to take back your focus. It all starts with 1 week. Let me know in the comments which habit you're going to try cutting out. I'm genuinely curious to see what you choose and to hear how it goes. Good luck!